This is the oil with the oregano leaves. We are going to strain it, so we will separate the oregano leaves from the oil. And this is the oil from the oregano leaves. We are going to make the wick with a barbecue stick and cotton. We're going to put the salt in the jar and then the wick. Oh, I think that's enough. Now we are going to put the oil in the salt in the jar. Hi.
Finally!
Yes! These are the tries we have. We're like 20 something. I can't believe. Wait, let me turn off the lights.
Show.